welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're doing a really important exploration into something that affects how good you feel every single day. Vitamin D.
That's right.
We've been looking at some great information from Blood Test UK. And our goal today is to understand why knowing your vitamin D levels is such a big benefit, especially, for folks living in places like Castleford.
Absolutely. And vitamin D, well, it's more than just a vitamin, really. Think of it like a key helper for your body.
A helper? How so?
Well, it's crucial for strong bones, obviously, because it helps your body actually use the calcium you get from food, like building blocks.
Oh, okay. So without enough vitamin D, the calcium doesn't do its job properly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it also does a lot more, like helping your body fight off germs. It's quite the multitasker.
Interesting. So why is finding out your level, like getting it checked, why is that such a smart move according to Blood Test UK?
Well, the main thing is catching low levels early. If you find out you're low, you can fix it relatively easily.
Right.
And doing that helps stop bigger problems down the line. Things like osteoporosis, where bones get weak, or even just getting sick less often.
Okay, so it's preventative.
Yes,
Yeah.
very much so. Plus, it can help with things people feel right now, like bone aches or just feeling tired all the time. Muscle tiredness, too.
That makes sense. You mentioned Castleford earlier, and thinking about the UK generally, especially in winter, we don't get a ton of sunshine, do we?
No, we certainly don't. That's a huge factor.
So who should be particularly, thinking about this?
Well, there are specific groups who often need to be more mindful. Older people, for example.
Okay.
Also, individuals with darker skin naturally make less vitamin D from sunlight. And honestly, anyone who spends a lot of time indoors.
Which is a lot of us these days, right? Office jobs, maybe just being inside more.
Exactly. So if you live in a city, or maybe like in Castleford, and you work indoors, this is definitely something for you to consider.
So for those listeners perhaps thinking, okay, maybe I should check, how easy is it? Like if you're in Castleford, what do you do?
It's actually really straightforward. It's just a simple blood test.
Rick.
Usually very quick, yeah. And you typically don't even need to fast beforehand, which makes it easier to schedule.
And where would you go?
In places like Castleford, you can usually get it done at your local doctor's office, your GP surgery. There are other clinics too. It's pretty accessible.
Good to know it's not complicated. We've talked bones, we've talked infections. What else? Are there wider benefits to having good vitamin D levels? You hinted it does more.
Oh, definitely. The impact is quite broad. There's growing evidence linking good vitamin D levels to your mood.
Really? How so?
It seems to play a role in keeping your spirits up and maybe even helping your brain stay sharp, cognitive function.
Wow. Okay.
And it helps with muscle strength too, which is great for just, being active, playing sports, or even just getting around comfortably.
And the immune system connection. You mentioned fighting germs.
Yes, it's a big helper for your immune system. It sort of helps your defender cells work better. It makes it easier for your body to tackle colds and other bugs that come along.
So it really is involved in a lot of different areas of health.
It truly is.
Okay, so if someone's listening and thinking, right, I need more vitamin D, what are some simple, practical ways to boost their levels?
Good question. Diet is one place to start. Eating things like fatty fish salmon is a great example.
Okay.
Also milk or yogurts that have vitamin D added, they call it fortified. And eggs have some too.
Right, things most people can find easily.
Exactly. And then there's sunshine. Getting sensible sun exposure, maybe 15 to 30 minutes a few times a week on your skin, can really help your body make its own vitamin D.
Sensible being the key word there, I guess. Not getting burned.
Absolutely. Short periods are usually enough. And of course, for some people, especially here in the UK during winter, or if a test shows they're low, taking a vitamin D supplement, like a pill, might be needed. But that's really important. Always best to chat with a doctor or pharmacist first to get the right advice and the right dose for you.
Great advice. So wrapping this up, it feels like the main takeaway is that just knowing your vitamin D number is a simple but really powerful step you can take for your overall health.
I think that sums it up perfectly. Taking charge, even with small steps like checking your vitamin D, it empowers you. It can make a genuine difference in how well you feel.
It really puts you in the driver's seat for your own well-being.
Precisely. It's about being informed and proactive.
And don't forget, all this fantastic information we discussed is based on resources from Blood Test UK. You can find even more details on their website if you want to dig deeper.
Definitely worth a look.
A huge thank you for tuning in and diving deep with us today.